NANATHESAUCYCHEF. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
It is on fire.
Nana in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making cheeseburger baked tacos. The ingredients that we're going to need today are standard stuffed hard taco shells, Thousand Island dressing, 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 1 cup of shredded lettuce, 1 tomato chopped. I also pre-cooked my bacon and crumbled it, 2 cups of cheddar cheese, 1/2 of a medium onion diced, pickles, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon of sweet relish, 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 3/4 teaspoon of sea salt. In a heated skillet, I added my olive oil. We're going to let that come to temperature. Now you can add in your onions and let that saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we're going to add in our ground beef. Break our ground beef up. I'm going to make sure it mixes with your onion. You want to continue to cook your ground beef until it's all brown. Once your ground beef is cooked all the way through, turn off your heat, remove it from your pan, and drain it of all excess grease. Once you have drained your grease, return it back to your pan. Put it on medium heat. Then you want to add your salt in and your ground black pepper. And you're just going to mix it until it's well combined. Now we're going to add in our barbecue sauce, our relish, also our yellow mustard. Now we're going to mix it until it's well combined. Now you can turn off your heat and you can place your ground beef into a bowl. Next, you want to get a baking dish and you want to stand your hard shell tacos up in it. If you're making all 10 of them, you may want to use a 9x13. I'm using a smaller baking dish. Next, we're going to take our cheddar cheese and just place it at the bottom of our taco shells. Now we're going to spoon some of our ground beef on top of our cheese. Now we're going to go back over top with some of our shredded cheese. You want to heat your oven to 350 degrees. We're going to place them into our oven for 10 minutes. Okay guys, so our tacos, as you can see, are done. The cheese is nice and melted. So now you can go ahead and put on the toppings of your choice. So you can go ahead and add some bacon if you would like. Some lettuce to it. guys, you can really make these your own and add whatever you would like to it. I added some pickles, so about 3 of them, and our tomato. I also have my Thousand Island dressing in a bottle. You can place that over top of them also. Okay guys, look how pretty they came out. We'll go ahead and add some of our Thousand Island dressing over top. Okay guys, so here we have it, our cheeseburger baked tacos. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?